Right now, let's get into how I was able to get that customer. And it's very simple. Good old Google, right? So some people use Google for various purposes. I'm just kidding. We all use Google to search for stuff, right? To read stuff, to search for maybe movies, maybe books, maybe videos. But everybody has his use for Google. So for once, if you're watching this right now, I found a very, very suitable use of Google for you. Why not use Google for such a purpose as looking for somebody to send you money on your PayPal account that you can actually invest in something else, right? So stop using Google for anything besides something that makes you value. So how exactly did I find my customer? There is a syntax that we call the all-in title, right? So I want you to copy this. Let's say, for example, that you're looking for somebody in the yoga niche or the yoga, all right, yoga niche or restaurant, whatever niche that is. Write this syntax, all in title, 2 points, and then write the niche that you're interested in, and then of course after that results are going to come in. As a matter of fact, let's go and take a ride on Google and show you how many websites I had to scroll down for me to find my target customer and how did I find their email. All right, so here we are on Google, and you can see that this is the first page results. And I can just keep scrolling down. And obviously, most of these websites that are here, I have visited. So, but just to give you an idea about how great persistence is. So you can persist, but persistence pays off, right? All right, so let's keep scrolling down, right? So the name of the shop is the Anabolic Steroids Store. And normally I should be able to find it out. All right, the Anabolic Steroids Store. Right, so let's keep scrolling just to show you how many websites I had to scroll before I found the customer. So let's keep scrolling down. The Anabolic Store, the Anabolic Store, the Anabolic Store. Right, so you can see that some of those websites I've actually already visited. And these are the ones in this color. All right, so where is the Anabolic Store? You might be getting bored already. And so you can imagine myself. But that didn't take from the fact that I was patient enough to find it. Maybe it's not on the second page. It should be on the first page. Well, all right, so the Anabolic Store anyways. Okay, so there's a simple problem over here. Anabolic Steroid Store, right? So PAS, PAS. That's the name of the store. The Anabolic Steroid Store. Right, the Anabolic Store. That's not it. Let's go back to the email right here. All right, so here's the store, right? So I actually found it and I just clicked on contact very simply. And there you go. You got the email and you can actually take that email and send them a message, right? So that's exactly what I did. Google, email, send an email, got some answers, negotiated the deal, got paid, and that's it. So that's the power of email marketing. If you want to know what email marketing is all about, this is what it is. So I'm going to try, in most of the other upcoming courses, I'm going to try to teach you as much as possible regarding cold copy and how to make money sending emails. But there you go. This is one of those times where you make $250 from sending one email.